In this video, you will see how to add horizontal line in Word for resume. If you are writing resume, you may have found it difficult to insert this thick black line, but it's very easy. Let's get started. First, type the heading. We will type here resume. Now here you will see the option borders. Click on the drop down and select the option bottom border. By default, this is a thin black line, a horizontal line. We will increase the thickness of this line. To do that, click on the drop down again, click on borders and shadings, and under the borders, click on custom. You will see here many options: dotted line, dash line, and double line. For example, I will select here double line. You can change the color of this line, for example red color, and under the width you can select the thickness of the line. I will select here 3 points. Once done, just click on OK, and now go back to the borders and shading tab and select the option bottom border. Now check out these videos to know how to add icons to your resume. Like the video if this video solved your problem, and don't forget to subscribe.